In this video, I will show you how to download Hogwarts Legacy on your PC. First, open your web browser and search for Hogwarts Legacy. Then, open the official Hogwarts Legacy website. Once you're on the website, click Get Now in the top right corner. You'll see different editions of the game, including the Standard Edition and Deluxe Edition. Choose the edition you'd like to purchase. Next, select your platform. Since we're downloading the game on a PC, choose PC. You'll then have the option to purchase the game through Steam or the Epic Games Store. In this tutorial, we'll use Steam. You'll be redirected to the Steam Store page. Make sure you're signed in to your Steam account. Scroll down to the Purchase section. Click Add to Cart, then proceed to checkout. Choose your preferred payment method, enter the required payment details, and complete your purchase. Once the purchase is complete, open the Steam application on your computer and go to your library. Select Hogwarts Legacy, then click Install. Choose the installation location if prompted, and wait for the download and installation to finish. After the installation is complete, click Play to launch the game and start your adventure. That's it! That's how you can download Hogwarts Legacy on your PC. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel